This is
Yeah.
Kim Alexander talking with Wilfred at the airport in Hyderabad on my way home from Madhupalli. And I want Wilfred to tell the board what Jivina Jyothi would prefer in terms of higher education. So Wilfred, if you can just look at the spot there and tell them.
I am Wilfred. I am taking care of the private tuition and also caring for the Jivina Jyothi Charitable Center. I feel higher education seems to be very expensive, and all the students want to go for different kinds of training, like engineering or B.Pharmacy or BSc nursing, general nursing, which are very expensive. And we, in your end, find the difficulties also. So keeping all this in mind, we also feel higher education is not that important. If any sponsors, any donor come forward in helping the higher education, that should be according to the merit. That should be the top priority. Suppose we have 20 students in the outgoing 10th grade. The merit students should be selected and they should be helped till the end, till they get the job.
How many of them?
At
At
the
least
most
one or two.
and no more.
Yeah,
That's
no
what you
more,
told me.
no
That's what you
more.
told me.
And they should be brilliant. We should feel that they will prolong their studies till the end, and they should be faithful in their educations. We should keep in mind all this, and we have to select the students.
And then you also think that one way higher education can be funded is through the women's self-help group.
Yeah,
If we get more money for loans,
yeah,
then the families can use those loans to help their
yeah.
children.
That's a very good idea, because till 10th we are helping our K to 10th grade students, and some are dropping out. Some taking some loans from here and there and trying their hard. They're trying very, very much to make their children to study, to educate. If we give this loan through our women corps, it will be a great help for the parents to educate the 10th grade students whom we are just dropping.
And we already see some of the women have taken their loans and gotten a small enterprise.
Yes.
And are using the money from that in order to send
Their children to the colleges.
college. So this would be a good use of the
Yes,
funds.
yes. Women corps have so many benefits. They can help their students, they can help their families, they can develop their personalities, and in all the way, women corps groups, by our loans, they are benefiting a lot, especially for the higher educations. They may not depend on us right away. They will pay back our loans. At the same time, our children, those who completed 10th grade, will go to the colleges.
Okay, George, could you hit the stop button now?